Hi guys, I'm Peter.
And I'm Freek.
And we're Bambooty.
And today we're here to tell you about our new MacBook covers made out of real stone.
Yeah. Our MacBook covers are made out of real original stone, so it's not a print. It's literally a piece of stone pulled from a bigger block and put on your MacBook. No one cover is the same. Each cover differs in style, texture and color. And it's simply an amazing way to customize your MacBook and to add the nature of stone to your daily lives. Each cover weighs less than 80 grams, is less than 1 millimeter thick, but it's very durable so it won't break.
A couple of years ago, we were working more and more on our MacBooks, and we noticed that everybody had the same great device. And we were thinking, how can we make this device unique? How can we make them stand out? And we both love the outdoors, so we thought, why not bring these natural materials to our MacBooks?
Last year we were on Kickstarter where we successfully launched our wooden bags, and we were pretty psyched about that project, but we just kept on dreaming what's next, and that's when we thought stone. It sounded like a crazy idea and we didn't have a clue how to go about it, but we really like to challenge ourselves and try to do the impossible, so we just went for it. And that's when we reached out to Ryan, a friend of ours in India who had just started his own stone business, and he had discovered a special technique to extract thin layers of stone. And when he told us that, we were like, we can totally do this.
We use stones that are sourced from quarries around the world. A thin layer of stone is extracted from a big block by hand. Next, we laser cut the stone in our very own workshop in Belgium. And what we end up with is a MacBook cover made out of real stone with a unique look and feel.
It took us 1 year of real hard work to get the product to where it is right now, but we made it and we're very satisfied with the result. We've got a rock-solid collection that offers 7 exclusive stone types. No two covers are or ever will be the same. And that's what it's all about. That's what will turn your device into something personal, into something that's naturally yours.
So pledge now, back us today and claim your discount.
Check all the rewards on the right of the video and all details below. And let's get stoned together.
I'm getting in the key. Oh, let me find the key. Oh. No, nothing happened.